Team, this is Rahul, a data science enthusiast working as a software engineer at Airlearn. I had 1.5 years of experience into the software industry, working with a couple of internships at Manhattan Associates and Hopscotch. I am a data science enthusiastic and willing to pursue my career into this data science and ML field. Uh, so EIT Digital was my dream track with an entry University of Polyme and exit as Alto. I wish to amalgamate the data science with the innovation and build my own startup in the near future. So this was my dream. I want to pitch my entrepreneurship idea, which was into legal analytics. So right from my childhood, I had seen various obstacles in the field of law and jurisdiction in my locality or in India. So what I want to do is to get all the data points or to combine all the data field which was present in various laws. I want to develop a predictive analytical model which help lawyers to foresee the future, or more specifically, it helps law practitioners to predict how long a case can go into verdict statement, or it is kind of a predictive analytical model which predict predeterminedly before. My goal is to build network across the diversities of the students who visit EIT and make friends, and try to research on various law practices across the globe and try to scale it in such a way so that my product will become reliable, smoother and better efficient, and try to decrease the crime rate across the globe. We had designed some kind of predictive model which could generate a right profit business, and which could target to correct client at the correct area. And this model had ultimately generated as a huge business in the market. And from then I had got an interest into data science field,